All right, here's another workout for you guys to do at home. Again, take advantage of your body. We're gonna do about 4 rounds of these exercises. We're gonna have you do 25 push-ups for this first round, but at every 5 interval, you're gonna do a static hold for 5 seconds at the end, at the bottom. So 25 reps, and you'll have a cumulative of 25 seconds hold on the push-up. I'll be demonstrating that. You're gonna do 30 seconds of high knees. We're gonna do 25 Russian twists, over and back is 1. And we're gonna do 20 prisoner squats with a crossover elbow to knee, back and forth on it. Then we're gonna finish with another static, a bear crawl or tabletop, how you wanna define it, static hold core. That'll complete your round. You're gonna go through that 4 times. So real quick with the push-ups again, we're gonna go sideways here. So you'll be going down, getting your first 5. And once you get down there, you're gonna hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue going to your 10, then you'll hold for 5 and so forth. Next is you're gonna do the 30-second high knees. Some people want to hold it right here. You can go nice low impact, or you can come back and forth, bringing the knees up high. You're gonna do that for 30 seconds. You're gonna do your Russian twists. If you have a weight, you can hold it right here. You're just gonna be rotating side, back and forth. When you want to try to avoid, try not to be rounded over. Try to get yourself in this position, straight, 45-degree angle, rotate, back and forth. Short level arm, a little bit easier. Longer level arm is gonna make it a little more difficult, but minimizing the rounding of that upper thoracic. Stick that sternum up to the ceiling. Fine, we got the 20 prisoner squats. Prisoner, put your hands behind. You're gonna come back down, come up. If you come up on one side, down, over. Then we got our tabletop plank. Basically, it's a bear crawl position. Hands, knees, toes. Just bring those knees just barely up over. Hold that right in that position. Hold that minimally 30 seconds, preferably a minute. That'll be your 1 round. Go around that 4 times total. Get at it.